One of my favorite parts of the day is answering your online questions. Lately, many of you have asked about premium Black Angus beef. You may have heard about it, but you aren't sure what makes it so special. So I asked Ryan Myers, who's an expert, to explain more.
The process starts with the genetics of the Angus cattle, the way that they're fed, the fact that they're all from the middle of the U.S., fed Midwestern corn. That builds consistency.
You see, Black Angus originated in Scotland, and today it's known throughout the world as a high-quality, reliably tender beef when raised and fed properly. It's the marbling that makes it melt in your mouth. And since this is premium Black Angus beef, it means it's among the best of the best, according to the USDA, since it has to pass a stringent 10-point quality check. All this talk about beef is making me pretty hungry. So what do you say we craft up a delectable open-faced steak sandwich that starts with a juicy strip steak? Even though this looks amazing, don't try to climb through your screen to grab a bite. And when you serve this up on some toasted garlic bread with caramelized onions, you're in for an original steakhouse treat. To get the recipe for our Black Angus steak sandwich, simply visit our website. While you're there, make sure you enter our Creekstone Farms Griller's Dream Variety Pack giveaway. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found the ultimate steak lover's way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.